How is it? How do you have so much Come on, we gotta go for a ride. Come on.
We have to go take a bath.
What's up, Mr. Cool?